Hey, what's going on, guys? Tim here again, back for another episode of Weaver's Spotlight. That's right, we're doing another shout out to a member of our Paracord community that we all know and love so much. So, today we are looking at Straight Up Paracord. So as you can see by his info right here on screen, this is Jared. He's a fellow Canadian like myself, but he is from Vancouver, so he's on the other side. And he's got a great feed here. I already actually gave Jared a shout out once before, because if we go down in his feed a little, he did do, he was the one who came up with the idea, that's right here, of the Paracord brass knuckles, or the Paracord knuckle duster. So a huge thank you to Jared for that and sharing that idea for us. He even he reposted my photo here, so that's really cool. But yeah, Jared does some pretty amazing work, and some really interesting work as well. As you can see, we're just scrolling through his feed here. And this was, I think, his post from the, he was participating in the Not Games. So this was really awesome. He had a matching set of like the knuckle dusters, nunchucks, monkey's fist. I guess that's kind of like a self-defense lanyard. And really awesome. From what I understand, Jared does run a business as well. As you can see up here, he does sell certain Paracord items, which is really awesome. So if you see anything you like on his feed, you can maybe send him a DM, see if he see what he's got available. Pretty cool, really nice lanyard beads. Gonna have to ask him where he gets some of those, but anyhow, great work by Jared, and this really caught my eye. Yeah, Venom. That's really cool. Oh, so this was his fishtail entry for, again, in Not Games. Really cool. Really cool. I loved, you guys know, I love the themed stuff. So that's really awesome. And I do have a Venom themed bracelet coming out pretty soon. Not my design. It's from a fellow Paracordist as well, but more on that later. Now, these Paracord nunchucks really interest me. I've been really wanting to do a tutorial on a Paracord wrapped nunchucks. I just haven't found where to get the wooden cores, because these are just wooden cores with Paracord wrapped around them, and I think that would be an interesting tutorial. Pretty good stuff. Some more complex work here by Jared. What is this one? Oh, this was the sanctified and I believe it's the sanctified entry. So that is really intense. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but I'm like, I've done a few complicated bracelets, but I just don't do the tutorials on them just because it takes way too long, and not a lot of people are willing to put in the time and effort to make a complex bracelet. So, I mean, I could do the tutorial, but how many people are actually going to watch the entire video and actually make one? But this is really nice too. And he's actually got a few different materials in here. So the center stitching is done with leather, and he's got some other type of cordage here. Looks like, I'm not sure what it is. Maybe cotton or something, I'm not sure. But really cool. Overall, love the colors he uses. Oh, this, I remember seeing this one too. This was his, something about an earth design. So if you look at the colors, the green and blue are supposed to be like the outer core, or the outer core of the earth. So, like water and earth. And then as you go deeper, you get into like soil, clay, and then the molten center. That was really awesome. That really does. It says a lot when you can communicate a theme just with colors. And I really appreciate the work he does here. Again, more sanctified stuff. Super, super cool. Ooh, that's a nice kind of, some nice hardware there. Really awesome. So yeah, there it is, guys. I'll let you check out the rest on your own. There's a photo of the guy himself, Jared. Really cool. Yeah, he just, I think he passed 1,000 subscribers earlier, but I'll let you check out the rest. Oh, here, this is what I was talking about. Super, super cool. I love this. I'll let you check out the rest of his Instagram feed yourself. He's at about 1,500 followers now. So let's see if we can get him a few more, because I think he deserves it, and I hope you guys think so too. And check out Jared over at Straight Up Paracord. So that is another episode of Weaver Spotlight. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If there's any fellow paracordists out there that have got a great Instagram feed and you think they deserve more attention, feel free to comment down below, tag them down below or post their link to their feed down below and I'll go check them out. All right, thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you on the next video.